Hey guys, it's Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. Today what we're showing you is the Heatilator Legacy 42 unit, also known as the Heat and Glow Phoenix unit. Wanted to show you, it's a new product out by Heatilator and Heat and Glow. Just wanted to give you a quick peek at it and show you some of the things that we really like about it and some of the things that we wish were different. So for starters, you can see what's the most unique thing about this fireplace is it's a direct vent unit that is non-sealed. So what we have here is we don't have any glass or safety barrier. You can see it's just an open concept type fireplace. Now what's cool about this is we get an open concept look without glass. That's kind of becoming more popular now to sort of have more of the open wood burner look. The problem is typically the way to achieve that is to either do a B-vent unit, which requires vertical venting, usually not very attractive, or you have to do an open wood burner with a gas log set and then run heavy duty wood pipe again all the way up to the roof, and that gets pretty costly. So what they've done here is they sort of solved that problem. It's a direct vent unit. It does run on a power vent, which means there's a fan on the cap that's going to pull that exhaust up, which allows us to have the open cavity here. But what's really unique is basically right off the back of the unit, we can horizontal vent it. So if you can't go vertical and you want an open concept fireplace, this is the only fireplace that I know of that allows for an open face with a horizontal termination with that power vent cap. So they sort of solved the problem and filled a niche with that type of look. But overall, outside of that, it's pretty simple. It does come standard with a touchscreen remote control, open, clean face unit, nice bricks, good logs, and of course a good flame. We'll give you a close-up. But aesthetically, you know, there's not a whole lot to say about it. It kind of is what it is. It's open. So if you like the open concept and you need flexibility on your install, this is going to be the guy for it. If you're local in the Denver market here, give us a call. These products are displayed in our Westminster showroom. You can call or text our staff at 303-800-5659. Or you can check out these products on our website at www.embersliving.com. Thanks so much for checking out this video. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel today, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos.